Hello and hi friends. Hello and hi friends. We are discussing the NEET 2020 paper answer key biology subject proper analysis. Here we have given the proper answer key with complete answer. So you have encode or decode the answer key of any paper code. Okay. Just here we have start the first part. In the first part we have 30 questions. The first question is the distance between two consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer, and the total number of base pairs of a DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 power 9 bb. Then the length of DNA is approximately 2.2 meter. Is correct answer for this question. Bilaterally, symmetrically, and symmetrically are exemplified by. The answer is this. The next question is match the following columns. Okay, there are there are two columns with 4 rows. So the correct answer of this question is A4, B1, C2 and D3. Which is the most important site of formation of glycoproteins and the glycolipids in eukaryotic cells? The answer is Golgi bodies, whatever is there. The answer, the QRS complex is a standard ECG represented of depolarization of ventricles. The answer is correct. Match the following columns, first and second. Then the correct answer is A4, B3, C1 and D2. The next, experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by Morgan. Identify the incorrect statement. Then incorrect statement is this: Sebud is the innermost secondary xylem, lighter in color. Then the next, this is the match the column. Then correct answer of this question is A3, B1, C4 and D2. The next is also a match the column. Then correct answer of this is A4, B3, C1. The next question is identify the substances having glycosides bond and peptide bond respectively in the inulin and insulin is the correct answer. Name the enzyme that facilitates opening of DNA helix during transcription. The answer is RNA polymerase. The next question, if the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the head holds a small portion of a nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of its body. The correct answer is this. Select the correct events that occur during inspiration. And the correct answer is A and B. A and B are which option having A and B both option? That is correct. The next question, by which method was a new breed Hysherdella of ship formed by using Bicaneri Fs and Merino rams? The answer is crossbreeding is the correct answer. Which one of the following is the abundant protein in the animal? The collagen is the correct answer. Next thing is that how many true breeding pea plants, varieties and Mendels select as pairs? The correct answer of this question is 14. The body of the ovule is fused within the funicle at answer is helium. The next, which of the following is correct about viroids? The answer is they have free RNA without protein coat. The question, the number of substrate level phosphorylations in 1 ton of critic acid cycle is answer is 1. Then the product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase and root nodules of leguminous plants is ammonia and hydrogen. Match the following. Also match the following. Answer is A3, B4, C1 and D2. The next is, from this experiments, S.L. Myler produced amino acid by mixing the following in a closed flask. Answer is this. Which of the following statement is correct? Then the adenine pairs with thymine through 2 H bonds. This is the correct option. For the next part, match the following. Again match the following. Then the correct answer is A4, B3, C2, D1. Choose the correct pair from the following. Then this is the correct answer. Again select the option including all this is the correct answer. Syphilis, genetical hypers. Then the embryological support for evolution was disapproved by. Then answer is Carl Linnaeus. This is the correct answer. The roots that originate from the base of the stem are. Then the fibrous roots is correct. In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of. Then answer is ethidium bromide in UV radiation. So thank you for watching this video. Contain 30 question. It contains 30 question. So watch my next video for all question. We have video on different course. It mean this is for the G5, but you can easily decode the answer from here, because in the course the number of question are same and the questions are also same. So just the difference of the questioning sequence or pattern, sequence, basically the sequence. So you can maintain it. Even you can match this answer key with all codes. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. We have another videos on answer key of physics, chemistry and rest questions of biology also. If you have any query related to result, medical colleges, engineering colleges and another JE and IIT, you can feel free to comment in the comment section or like page on FB also college guide. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching again.